Hi everyone, if you're looking for low impact exercise to keep you active and get your body moving, then this is a great place to start. We've got a short session of Tai Chi and Qigong movements, which are very gentle but still work all our major muscles without any stress or tension on the joints. So let's get started. Always listen to your own body and keep all the movements well within your comfort zone. We're starting with our feet hip width apart. You want to ground your feet to the floor and lift up through the crown, keeping everything relaxed. Our first movement is called balancing the chi. We're going to breathe in as the arms come up to chest height and breathe out, pushing those palms down towards the floor, sinking down our body weight into a small horse stance by bending the knees. Our next movement is gathering the chi, breathing in as the arms rise high, breathing out, lowering the hands and sinking into our horse stance. Let's repeat that with balancing the chi. Breathing in, breathing out, keeping that rhythmic, slow, controlled movement. Gathering the chi, feeling a gentle stretch through the body as we extend and reach high and come back down low. One more time through. Stepping out further with our stride and pushing across the body, sinking the body weight into that side bow stance by bending one knee and turning the waist to power the push across the body. One more here. And then let's repeat those 4 pushes on the other side. Now let's alternate those pushes across the body and transfer the weight from one side bow across to the other. And I want you to really focus on that intentional, slow transfer of body weight from one side to the other. Centering the weight in the middle, we're going to go back to our balancing the chi, and this time, now we're a bit warmer, we can really sink into a deeper horse stance as we're pushing the hands towards the floor. And feeling that lovely extension and expansion, gently stretching through the body in our gathering the chi. Repeating that all again. And one more time through. Pushing across the body into our side bow. This time we're going to stay in our horse stance as we shift the body weight from the side and back to the middle. So just remember to listen to your own body, especially those knees, and make sure that this movement suits you. And then changing direction, pushing across the body to the other side. Alternating those pushes to the side and sliding through our horse stance. So we're going from our side bow into the middle to horse stance and across to side bow in the other direction. It's a good one to challenge the leg strength, and you can always straighten the legs in the middle just for a bit of a breather. Always remembering to take the option and suit your movements to your own body. Final push across the body, and then after all that leg work, let's just do a lovely stretch high, breathing in, taking the pressure off those legs. We're going to bring ourselves so the feet are slightly turned out and go back to our balancing the chi. This time as we bend into that horse stance, it becomes more of a plie with the knees travelling in the direction of our toes, so slightly turned out. And then as we do our gathering the chi, we're going to bring our foot slightly behind you so that we can do a gathering the chi and bend our knees into a curtsy position as we do so. A good one for our leg strength, for our balance and our coordination. Stepping back to the middle, remember center the weight between the 2 feet, and we're turning out and balancing the chi into our plie. Placing the other foot now behind so that we can sink down into our curtsy. So do remember to listen to your knees and make sure that this is comfortable. and suits your body. Repeating that again with our balancing the chi. Transferring over to our curtsy on the first side, and then we're going to alternate these movements, so transferring into the middle and then over to the other side. Our next move is shooting the arrow. Let's sink into a deep horse stance now and bring our hands to shoot the arrow. So making one hand at that arrow by pointing finger and thumb, holding our horse stance as we shoot the arrow. Repeating that on the same side 2 more times. And then let's change and shoot the arrow to the other side. So lots of focus while we are shooting that arrow, a good strength and power movement. Back to the first side, we're going to add a transfer of weight to our side bow as we shoot the arrow, bringing it back to the middle and over to the same side. So again, a very intentional transfer of body weight across to the side. And then changing over to shoot the arrow in the opposite direction and transferring the weight over to side bow on that side. And then, as before, we'll do a big release and stretch high to the ceiling. Going to bring our feet so that we have one foot pointing to the corner and the back heel off the floor. Bending the knees and bending forward to scoop the sea, and then rocking back to open out and look at the sky. A lovely big extension, breathing in as we rise and then breathing out as we sink the body weight into that back foot and open the chest to look at the sky. Let's change and set up on the other side, scooping the sea and looking at the sky, rocking back the body weight and opening out. Let's repeat that all again. Bringing our feet together, and we'll do our balancing the chi, adding the knee bend now with our feet together. We're going to reach high and extend over the head, adding a heel raise towards the ceiling. Let's balance the chi again and repeat that. So lifting high from the crown as we come up onto the balls of our feet. Really engage the core by pulling our belly button through to our spine. And make sure that our legs are straight but soft. We don't want to have any tension whilst we are balancing on our balls of our feet. We still want to be nice and relaxed. Let's do that one more time. Lifting high and relaxing down. Returning to our balancing the chi and just focusing now on the breath, breathing in as the arms rise, breathing out as the hands lower, feeling relaxed and feeling calm. Gathering the chi, feeling a lovely stretch through the body and trying to increase that range of motion, helping our mobility and flexibility as we extend the arms all the way up through the sides to the top. Balancing the chi. Gathering the chi. Repeating that all again, balancing the chi. And finally, bringing our hands to our heart to finish the session. Thanks for joining me for today's Tai Chi session. I hope you've enjoyed it. I post weekly sessions online that you can follow for free at home. So do remember to subscribe and then you won't miss any of the new content here. I hope to see you soon. Bye.